Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by turning on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and verifying both devices are close. This creates the peer connection Airdrop uses. Next, open the photo or document you want to send, tap the share icon, and choose Airdrop from the action sheet. Make sure your Airdrop discoverability is set to contacts only or everyone, depending on who you expect to receive the file. Once you select a recipient icon, the sending process will attempt to establish a direct encrypted connection between devices. Once you tap the recipient's avatar, Airdrop performs a quick handshake using Bluetooth for discovery and peer-to-peer Wi-Fi for data, which is why waiting briefly is normal. The recipient will get an accept or decline prompt. They must tap accept for the transfer to start, so communicate if needed. While sending, watch the progress ring or bar on the sending device and the receiving device's screen. If you change your mind, press cancel. If transfer stalls, toggling Wi-Fi or moving devices closer often resumes it. After the transfer completes, confirm the recipient can open the file and tell them where it's saved. Photos appear in the Photos app. PDFs and files often go to Files or the associated app. If you need to resend, reselect the item and try again. Clearing a brief connection glitch by toggling Wi-Fi or Bluetooth on both devices often fixes issues. If privacy allows, temporarily set Airdrop to everyone to ensure discovery. Then switch back when finished. That single troubleshooting step resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.